Today we're going to be unboxing the iPad 12-inch iPad Pro. It is this beauty right here. Let's get straight into the video. The iPad comes in a nice space gray and silver, giving you a good nice variety, and it's very sleek and looks very minimalistic if you're up for that look. This iPad gives a very big screen to work with, great for literally everyone. Very slim, so it is very easy to travel with, and I, as a student, find this iPad great. Your notebooks and pencils are hurting your back because in your backpack it becomes heavy eventually. This slims all your notebooks into one device, giving you a maximum use of the iPad. Paired with the Apple 2nd generation pencil, it beats your notebooks and pencil cases, giving you the ultimate productivity all in one device, giving you your max use of your money. The iPad is on the more pricey side, but has a lot of great elements. So you can use it you can draw, write, type, and make calls, and so much more. It is an unlimited space. And when I first opened it, it gave me a really good look. It is a very functional, and really, I'm very impressed with how it looks. And the ultimate design. All that in this very, very thin iPad. Is very compact and very strong, helping you do many things, wide range of things throughout your day, and you can get them all done by just bringing this one device with you wherever you go. It's very, very slim, so it can go with you in your purse, your book bag, your hand. You can carry it. It doesn't matter. This is a very, very good device, and I am very impressed. That's it for today's video. Until next time, bye.